going to do a simple one-page story, just like your own comic strip. All you need is a Sharpie or a marker or any dark markers and some paper. Okay, so let's start. The first step is to draw like a baby-like head shape. And she or he will be smiling. So did a cute baby smile. So you could do 1 tooth and 2, 3 teeth and 4 teeth, just 4 front teeth. And the nose right here. And then their eyes. Whatever eyes you'd like. I like it to be realistic but cartoony. I like realistic. Yeah, realistic. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6th one and the 6th one. And a few over here. Yeah, it's so cute. After her eyebrows and her head, you can start drawing, continuing the neck over there. Then you could have it whatever shape you like. Like the shirt, it depends on the shirt. So I just like to do it like this. And the shirt will be continuing from there and everything. Like before we draw that, we'll draw the hair. If it's a girl, then you draw girl hair. If it's a boy, you draw boy hair. So I'll just draw girl for now, since I like girls. Okay? So 1, stinger face, 2, 3, 4, 5. The baby's like this, her hands, her neck, her shirt. She looks really tall, but that is because she's just gonna be like really, really close. This is gonna be like a really, really close up to her. I don't know why she's wearing shoes in the house. And she's like walking. And then up here, we'll do another head. This time a little oval one. Then the neck. And then like we'll draw like a surprise face. And if you want, like, you could draw a mustache there to show it's a man, because this is going to be the dad. Not all men have mustaches, but I'm just saying some have. So it'll just make a lot more sense. Because some of them have. So we'll just make it a little funnier. I mean, not funny, but here. Oh yeah, People have ears. I forgot that. Okay. Now, then draw his shirt. He doesn't have to have one of those. If you'd like, he could. And some men have mustaches too, and some have beards. So let's draw a beard here. And some men also have a tie. So let's draw a tie to this dad. I have never heard of a tie that looks like this, but I just made it up. Its shape is weird, but I have no idea how a tie looks like. So I'll just and he'll just be going somewhere with his gloves on. He'll be like, "What? Why are you following me, you little cute little baby of mine?" So we'll just be walking the shoes on. And then here there'll be a boy. Like a teenager boy, or like your age, or whatever. Yeah, it could be whatever age you are, that type of boy, or it could be a teenager, or could be any type of boy. But it could be a boy or a girl, actually. But for this time, I'll just have boys here. The boy will be wearing gloves too. And his pants. Wait, no, that'll be as part of his shirt. He'll have shoes on too. And then you draw the speech bubbles to really make sense. It makes no sense what you're seeing right now. Probably. But unless you had speech bubbles to make it a story. So she'll go, this little girl will be like, calling, Mama! She thinks that is her mom, but that is her dad. She's like, Mama! 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 Hi! And he's like, let's try to make this from his mouth. I don't know know if there'll be enough speech bubbles. That is not... There's no space for this. That is not your mom. That's not your mom? We saw that. So it's like a story now. A one-page story, just like a comic strip. She's like, Mama! 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 Hi! That is not your mommy! So this is a story made. So just like, hi, Mama! Mama! Hi! And her dad's like, and her brother's like, that is not your mommy! And it's such a funny little picture. She's just like running, just like a little baby. Doesn't look like a baby. Yeah. But it could be a 2-year-old or a baby. Yeah. And that is my drawing for today.